Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back to Football Critics. Kamalam Ding, and I'm back again. Yes, yeah, I'm back again. So discuss vele what went wrong or right. I don't know. Clemente Pologone City against the Kaizer Chiefs. So I'm gonna first discuss the coach's point of view. From my opinion, the coach's point of view, what happened. The first half, we can say that the game itself was fine, but we didn't get it right. Tactically, we didn't get it right. Ipolokwane City were able to nullify us because they played, it was 4-3-3, and Tina would play like a 4-2, and then the soul number 10, Papa Mbil, it was Mteto, Mart, and then Umdu. They were able to nullify that because it was 3v3 in the middle. It was 3v3, and then front three yabo pressed it back for you two. It was nullified. Vele. We only had one extra center back. Nabo at their back, they had one extra center back. So it was a very tight game tactically from that point of view. But second half things changed. Second half things changed. Some Copa Utuba, which was the right call in my opinion. Some Copa Utuba because the Polokwane City sat very deep. It was a very deep block, and we didn't get the spaces to unleash Utuba, Ulilepo, all those fast, quick players. Yabo. So Utuba, Lilepo, the reason why they were very inefficient or useless in the game, it was a secret space for them to run in behind. So that's why you need a good squad. But that's why you need a good squad of creative number 10s. Umtu Shabalala, Gaston Sirino, even though he's still old, but he can still share Ispan pa. Shabalala, Gaston Sirino, and then another person was Uvilagaz and Wamfaga. He put on Vilagaz, he put on Sirino. All of them played. But the main problem that I had with Unabe was he took out Umtu and put in a Sirino, which was a mistake in my opinion. A mistake because you need all of your creative players ngaphakathi because the team, they sat right in front of their box. But they sat right in front of their box. Lilap is not gonna do anything. He's not good at finishing, and Abba is not very good. Yeah, but good combination plays, and we needed a lot of combination plays because Lamachita so tight upper middle lane. They're so tight, ila middle three, and then the wingers also joined to make it sort of like a five. It was very very tight and compact. That's why Dumdube had a very very good game this match. Why? Because he operated in tight spaces. That's his game. Yeah, but that's his game. And as keep him because he was very good in those tight spaces, and we needed three number 10s in my opinion. We needed to do Uvilagazi and Usirino at the same time to operate in those spaces. But otherwise, in my opinion, from Issa Ganabi, there's nothing much like that I can criticize him on. Yeah, Uchilogui post-match conference, sorry, Uchilog post-match conference that, okay, this is okay, it's not a success, ne? But it's not as bad as people see it to be because, yeah, we didn't qualify for top 8, but this was not okay, we're gonna play extra games. We don't need extra games this time. Sidingayo more training sessions unabi with the players so that they can understand. He said a process and a game model. That's the word he used. That he said that the players need to understand the game model. Basically, game model is how he wants to play, a philosophy basically. So without MTN 8, we have more training sessions. And this was not Randoni, MTN 8. Yeah, we've top 8, more money, but Chiefs is not desperate. We are not, okay, I won't name any clubs, but we don't need that top 8 money, right? We don't need that top 8 money. We just won in that bank. We're going to CAF. No, I'm fine. I'm not even angry. It's been a fine season. So moving away from the perspective your coach, the main problem once again, Kaizer Chiefs, is the players. It's the players. Almost always Udove and this goalkeeper of ours benze a mistake like last minute benze corner instead of hoofing ibhola siye phambili. Miguel and Dove, those two cannot play center back. We need Udodli urgently. Faka Aiden McCarthy, Lantwana Leia has been bowling with DDC for a long, almost like 3 years. Lamchita. I was in school and I knew about Aiden McCarthy. He is so good on the ball. Faka Lantwana. We can't have two like big, strong center backs who are tracks basically, because La Macheta they can't move. Yabo. And we need to play with the disc. We can't have Dove and Miguel in this as a starting pairing with center backs. We can't. We like genuinely can't. And then what was I saying? Oh yeah, I was basically talking about the players, the mistakes that we're making from the at the back. It's it's terrible. It's terrible. At the back, Napambili, it's just bad. It's just bad. And one key thing that I picked up was Nabi was talking about Ian striker. He said that we are creating, I think, the second most opportunities, and as is that's Zago's Tatapi, but I trust him. So we're creating the second most opportunities, and the main problem is finishing. And that's true. We have Uranga, who's bad. It's just bad finishing. All you can do is basically like Kingston Carter. If you remember Kingston Carter 2014 days, Kingston Carter is a bulldozer, very bad at finishing. He'll grab those 8, 9 in the entire season, not only PSL, in the entire season goals. But Kingston Carter was scoring, but let's forget that. We're talking about Ranga. Like, it's basically the same type of player, very strong. He's a bulldozer, will put fear into the defenders. But who's going to score the goals? We don't have midfielders like that. Castillo is coming back from injury. We don't have midfielders like that. So he's basically that kind of player. He can't finish. And then we have Morris. He's a link-up player. Ne? He's like, how can I say this? He's like Harry Kane, but with less footballing ability. Is that type of player? Yeah. He drops, he plays, he one-twos with the play with midfielders. He can hold the ball, but when it comes to the box, it's not very good. Hurricane is very good, but I'm making a reference to the type of player, not I'm not making a player comparison. So is that kind of player. So it's not good with finishing. Who do we have? Utu Breeze now, yeah, in his work in his finishing is very quick. It's like his body and shooting, they are not, his feet actually, his whole body and his feet as co-aligned. Like, he runs too fast for the ball. Sometimes Umchita is kicking a ball while at full speed, so I could coordination up. So we really don't have a striker to finish the job, and sometimes we blame the coach, not knowing what's the coach's plans. To close off Ilanduza, my remarks have basically what I saw like game was still part of the process. Very good short passes, like the second half of the final that we played against the Pirates. We were very good in that game, especially second half. You can see the passes. There was that opportunity. I can't remember who missed the chance, but there was an opportunity that started a left back or across Nodove. They were playing it this instead of hoofing it by Benzelendo by Enzayo, Ngati Super Sport. They played touch, and move the ball like on the grass, and then say move quickly onto the other side, and then we had a really good chance to score a goal. So that's the football that I think Nabi wants to play. That's the football we have to play as a Kaizer Chiefs. We can't all the time. You can't. You just can't. You just can't. It's lali rugby, yeah, but it's lali rugby. Yeah. This is not box kicking. Yeah, well, this is not the rugby. So yeah, those are my opinions. I don't know what you guys think. Yeah, Kaizer Chiefs. Thing are signing out. Thank you.